What happened to your phone, Daniel? Daniel fell over and he dropped his iPhone. Look what he done to it. I told him I could fix it for him and he's pretty happy actually. Pretty happy I can fix your phone, eh? Because now the alarm won't go off. It just keeps playing the same old tune all day long. So yeah, I'll fix your phone, Daniel.
Don't worry, I'll fix it in a second.
Well, the alarm's gone off. Fuck, I think I fixed your phone, mate. Look at that.
It's on silent now.
Awesome. Here you go. Take back to town with you.
Make a necklace out of it.
That's the look of a happy customer.